Morning and a very warm welcome to Reading Rail Tours 23 with me, Jake. Hello, welcome if you're new here. I am a young enthusiastic train spotter who goes around the country filming special charter rail tours, empty coach dock movements and special locomotive movements. We have arrived at a very sunny Reading station, as you can see just behind me here. This morning we are off to Didcot Parkway to see Hanson and Hall locomotive number 50008 Thunderer making its way from EC depot up to Reading train care depot to pick up some sleeper coaches heading down on a couple of trips to and from Didcot Parkway. I hope you enjoy the photos and the footage of my journey today. Okay then folks, so we have arrived here at Didcot Parkway station, as you can see just behind me here, and we are now awaiting the arrival of the Hanson and Hall Class 50 locomotive number 50008 Thunderer, making its way up from EC depot round to Didcot Parkway, carrying a GWR sleeper coach, ready to reverse here and head up to Reading train care depot. Hope you enjoy. So we are still here at Didcot Parkway, as you can see just behind me here. We are now expecting a Class 57 DRS service from Leicester LIP heading down towards Reading train care depot. I hope you enjoy that. This is being run by a company called GBRF. Hello, so we have now seen the Direct Rail Services Class 57 loco number 57305, and we are now waiting for the Class 50 locomotive number 50008 Thunderer to make its way from Reading Train Care Depot, carrying a GWR sleeper coach back down here to Didcot Parkway, ready to reverse here between platforms 3 and 4, ready for the journey home back to Eastleigh Depot a bit later this afternoon. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so 50008 Thunderer has now arrived back at Didcot Parkway with the GWR sleeper coach and has headed into the sidings here at Didcot Parkway between platforms 3 and 4, and will now perform a light engine movement from the sidings back into platform 3, ready to run back down to the coach, ready for its return journey back home to Eastleigh Depot. I hope you enjoy.
Here is a safety announcement. For your own safety, please ensure the brakes on pushchairs and wheelchairs are applied at all times when stationary on this platform.
stopped. Okay then folks, so sadly that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for coming with me and enjoying today's trip down to Didcot Parkway to see the Class 50 Hanson Hall 5008 Thunderer and the DRS Class 57 loco number 57305. Hope you have enjoyed yourselves today. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and click your notification bell so you are posted as to when I post another video very soon. Bye!